In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage milestones and labels in GitHub issues. We'll start right from the top so you can follow along with any repository you have access to. Open your browser and search for GitHub. From the results, choose the official GitHub site. Once you're there, sign in with your account so you can access your repositories and make changes. With that done, head to the repository you want to organize. In the top navigation, open the Issues tab. Near the search bar, you'll see a Labels option. Click it. Labels are short, colored tags that make issues easy to scan and filter. They help you identify what something is, how urgent it is, or who might need to look at it, all at a glance. On this page, you can review your current labels and tune how they look and read. When choosing colors, use high contrast options for urgent items so they stand out immediately. For example, a bright red for critical or blocker level work. For informational or neutral tags, pick more muted tones to avoid overwhelming the list. Clear labeling is not just cosmetic, it improves accessibility and helps teammates make quicker decisions. To keep your list organized, use consistent prefixes in label names, like type, feature, status, in progress, or priority, high. This creates tidy groups that sort well and make filters more predictable. As a tip, agree as a team on what each prefix means to reduce confusion, and periodically review labels you don't use anymore to keep the set lean. Now let's set up milestones to plan and track work over time. From the Issues tab, open Milestones, then choose New Milestone. Milestones group issues and pull requests into a scheduled block of work. Think sprints, releases, or thematic goals, and they come with a built-in progress bar. Give your milestone a clear, outcome-focused title and description so everyone understands the scope. You can optionally add a due date, which is helpful for spotting schedule risk and coordinating releases. Once your milestone exists, open any issue or pull request and look to the right-hand sidebar. There, select the milestone you just created. Assigning items this way tells GitHub to include them in the milestone's progress tracking. On the milestone page, you'll see a percentage bar that updates based on the ratio of closed versus open issues assigned to it. This makes it easy to gauge how close you are to completion and where blockers might be. To wrap up, remember, labels are for categorization and metadata. An issue can have multiple labels, and you'll see them as colored tags. Milestones are for scheduling and goal tracking. Each issue belongs to only one milestone, which shows a progress bar and, if set, a due date.